Hi friends, today I am going to show how to make a paper butterfly. First of all, we need a paper square. Fold it into half and open it. Let's fold it again in another way. Now fold it like this. Open it again and do it same to the other side. Now you have folds in the paper. Now let's fold it into half. Watch carefully. You will have to take it and bend it slowly. After bending it, you have to fold it. Do the same to the other side too. Now you have a paper like this. Now it's time to cut. Fold your paper into half. Take your scissors ready and cut a curve there. After cutting a curve, open it. Now, let's open it. You get this shape. It's almost like a butterfly. Now, you have to fold like this. Now, you have to flip it. Take the bottom and put it upside. You're almost done. Watch till the end. Now glue it. Don't forget to glue. And your paper butterfly is ready. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.